right now, today we're going to Walmart. We'll be back with more videos. And yeah, let's stay tuned.
Yeah.
Now we're going into the car, heading to Walmart. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what y'all gonna buy from Walmart?
Just toys and clothes and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You going first?
We're in the car right now, heading to Walmart. Did somebody just fart?
A toy, and a shirt, and clothes, yeah, and some lotion, body lotion.
What kind of toys y'all getting?
Shoes.
Car toy and
Yeah, I'm getting Barbie.
Walmart truck.
I'm getting Barbie and Barbie van. I'll get that cleaning thing. It's clean. I might get that kitchen thing.
Y'all not
What you
gonna
getting?
I'm about to
anything else?
get
Yeah, we will.
a car toy like a Walmart truck.
a dress. And I'm getting I'll get a
like a
dress
big
too.
thing.
I'm getting a LOL. And me too. And me too.
I'm gonna get
And I'll get a pretty dress.
a fixing
And I will get a pretty dress.
Yeah, we're going to Walmart, guys. This is the way to Walmart. There's all these stores right here. The Walmart is that way. We're going that way to Walmart. The light is taking long.
There we go. There we go. And take the picture. Here I'll go. And from the
On our way to Walmart, there's a couple more, like, it's right there. Pretty sure y'all can see it. Right there. Rome is there. All these cars.
What type of toys y'all like?
I like a cleaning thing. I like Barbie and LOL. I like Barbie and LOL. I like Barbie and LOL. And
Trying to get right to Walmart. There's a lot of people.
We're about to get in there right now, and yeah.
We go first. We're going to the
What
Gotta find a
section?
parking lot real quick.
the toy section.
yeah, we'll go to the store of the toy.
She only going to the toy section?
Yeah.
Y'all not going nowhere else?
We'll go to the dress place. Yeah, we'll go to the dress place. And I'll buy herself a little dress and pants. Yeah.
What else y'all wanna do?
And we'll buy some, and yeah. We'll tell y'all later. Yeah, we'll tell y'all.
Get tuned in.
That big truck.
Guys,
Me
like,
only
comment, and
know-
subscribe.
Toys
Share with y'all
I
friends if y'all enjoy.
I want 5. I want,
I want
Eva, I want 5. I want
How
10.
much you want?
I want 10.
I want.
What about you?
I don't want to waste the money, but I want to get 6.
I want 5. I'll get 10. I'm getting 10. I'm getting 10. I want 5.
Look at these nice cars.
Wanna try and get baby alive?
Yeah.
We just found a parking lot.
I want baby alive.
So we're gonna get to y'all.
Me
Or we're
too.
going inside of Walmart.
I like that.
Walmart. We're getting stuff, and yeah, they're getting whatever they want.
LOL? I don't know. What's your favorite thing ever? What do you want this?
So what toys y'all getting? What's
Like
that?
this right here.
What kind of toy is that?
So guys, they've been asking for like, they've been asking for.
What are those? What kind of toys are those? What kind of toys are those?
Huh?
What kind of toys are those?
LOLs in them.
Oh.
All right, guys, they've been asking for slimes a lot, so we're gonna try to find them the slime.
Slime. They should get you. Eva, I want this. Eva, where's the slime? Look, this is in the park.
Come on.
Wait for me.
So this is the thing they got so far.
Guys,
Get
we
it.
can't find the slime right
I
now.
mean, this right
Oh, this-
here. Look. That.
This is nice.
Maybe I could get this. They got all the things.
We looking for slime right now.
I got some. Look at Nora. Look. Higher. Her.
So what's this?
I need some headset.
Well, barang also stamp. No, I'm not going. Well, barang also stamp.
Hoverboard.
We could take more.
So what's that?
A cleaning thing. No, I want
Oh,
to
okay.
have a toy.
Give him this.
A kitchen. No, I want this one. Too heavy.
Look, man. Well, Bob is a good old boy.
What?
So we'll get back to y'all when they get all that stuff.
Get it.
Don't just break it. Y'all too fat. Get out of it. Y'all gonna get us kicked out. Get out. Nigga, they quit. I'm gonna get us kicked out. Look at all these bikes.
Come on, let's stand up. Get sit down. Let's go. Now we get people from touching them. You can sit down. Who push that?
Go ahead.
Right there.
So,
Okay, guys. We just
go ahead.
got to fire. Get out.
Were you talking to Dad?
Yeah.
Where's that?
So, guys, we at the clothes place. They just gonna pick out some clothes, get some. Go.
Let's get us clothes. This clothes is this one. I
Let's
don't,
look at stuff right now.
I don't like this one. Yeah, I like this. I like this soft one, but I don't like
So what kind of clothes y'all like?
I don't want that coat that's cut. I don't like what kind of clothes? Cool. So yeah, guys. So yeah, I found this book bag. It's awesome and cool. And I found these clothes. Like a secret.
So what kind of clothes y'all like?
Huh? I like this one.
I said what kind of clothes?
I want this one. I want this.
I said what kind of clothes? I
I
said.
like this.
Come on, let's go.
I like
Let's
this.
go. Come on.
Alright, guys, I think these are good for them. I think these are good.
No. I love this one.
When you wake up,
Shopping.
feel inside of it.
Yeah, I love this one. I love
Look, touch the
So
bottom.
I want this.
You said look at clothes, not jacket.
Look at that.
Look, y'all go. Hold on. Be mine and that. They go right there.
Guys, we're gonna buy the stuff and then we're gonna get our chop after we go home.
Yeah. That's fine.
Peace.
Car.
We heading home.
Yep, we just left Walmart. We'll see y'all when we get in the car. Say bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, we just came back inside the car. We got the stuff. We heading back home and yeah. How do y'all feel?
Good.
Look at these nice car. That's a nice car. Right there. So, how do y'all feel about what y'all got?
Good.
Talk.
Good.
Ask some questions, Eva.
Yeah.
So y'all ready to go home?
Yeah.
Talk. Ask each other questions.
So, Alima, what? So you ready to go home? Yeah. When you go home, what are you gonna play with? First, what you wanna play with? What? LOL. For your LOL? You happy? Just
You
that.
happy?
What? What
You
you
happy?
will play with when you go back home?
Slimes and LOL and stuff.
Slide LOL and stuff. And I will play with my first toy. I will play with my LOL and slime, and I will make my slime like fall down on the LOL.
I will play with my talking thing.
Talking Harry.
No, the thing for the police here. Talk loud. The thing for the police is walkie-talkie. I'll play with that first. And what else? And that fake knife thing. And I have to go home. We got 2 fast foods by Walmart, Burger King, and McDonald's. And Burger King is across from it.
Right back home. That was a successful day, and then
So
Y'all
we
ready to
got
play
play
with
with
your toys?
toys and subscribe, click the like, and then share with your friends, and